Okay, so Rob Murray here, and I'm going to quickly just draw out on the whiteboard what's called a redemption funnel. Okay, so what we're going to start off with, so this is working in conjunction with someone like Groupon or Wowcher or any of the deal sites, and you're going to, let's go into it. So this is the Groupon page. Let's use Groupon as an example, and you've got your product, you've got your discounted price. Let's say it's, so let's use my example that we're going to use. It's our online training course. So we're going to sell a training course, how to build your website funnel completely in Clickfunnels. You're going to give them all the training, all the content, all the templates. So let's say we're going to charge £19 for that. Once they purchase their course, they get an email with their password, their code. And then we're going to send them to our redemption page, and the redemption page is literally very simple, but all it's asking them for is their name, their email, and their voucher code. So that's the first page. It's reconfirming what they purchased, so it's got the Groupon logos up here. It's got about the Groupon product they just purchased, so it's very clear, very simple, very easy to understand. But then once they put their name and email into our opt-in thing here and they've added their coupon code, we're then going to push them through to an upsell page. And then we're going to upsell them. I think on this example we're going to offer them to have the entire website funnel built for them for just $9.97, so this will be a sales page, maybe even a sales video. It'll obviously be the standard sort of hang on, your order's not complete, 50%, and then we'll have content, and a buy now button for, let's say, $9.97. So kind of quite simple. So you're just utilising Google's traffic, Groupon's traffic. You're grabbing the client who's purchased this this low-end product here. Now in the text here, the important part is that you might mention just a little nugget about what you're later going to talk about, and the same in the email. There might be a little discussion about the done for you service, etc. So you're already pre-framing what you're going to be offering, and even on the first redemption page there'll be discussion. Some of the testimonials might be for the done for you clients. I'm doing stuff in red that will be linked and connected to this page here, because this is obviously your upsell page. Now if you can get 10 people going through here, and out of those 10 you get one upsell, you've near enough doubled your cart value instantly by using Google's traffic, and it's costing you nothing to get this traffic. Google, I keep saying Google, Groupon. Groupon have got the clientele, you've got people who want to buy these courses, but the reality is that 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, whatever the stats work out at, there's an aspect of that 10 people who they want the result, but actually they don't want to implement, they don't want to take the course, hence why out of 100 DVD Spanish, how to learn Spanish courses, I think it's something like 9 are never opened. It's ridiculous. The stats will blow your mind. But so this is the redemption funnel, and this is obviously your upsell. And the reality is, you could, if you wanted to, have a downsell after this, and we haven't actually thought of that. So let's just that is your upsell. That's your redemption page. So I'll go into red. Redemption page, and you could have a downsell, or you could have, if someone takes this one, you could have an additional upsell. And I think that's what we'll probably do. We'll probably offer them the entire done for you website funnel. We'll build it all out for them. We'll give them all the email copy. We'll pretty much do everything for them for like £997. So they've gone from over here, a £19 product, where they can learn and do it all themselves. Now if they're a business owner, there's potential where they don't want to do all of that. But then we're going, look, actually, you've got your product now, that's been delivered to you, but here's what you can have now. So I hope that makes sense. It's very simple. This is Groupon already. We've got an email that goes out to them. We've got a redemption page where they give us their voucher code. Then we're going to upsell them into the higher ticket product. So this would work with anything. Let's say, for instance, I've got my paella dish over here. Let's say I'm selling an online how to make paella course, £19 here. Let's just mark them off. And then in the email it sends them to the redemption page where they put their name and email and their redemption code to get their online training to how to cook a paella. And in the testimonials down here, there's people talking about, you know, the tray, the pot. So then we can upsell them over here to buy the equipment. It could be 200 quid. So we're going from a £19 product that we probably get half with Groupon or Wowcher anyway, and then we're upselling them to maybe a 197, 297, whatever it is, and we're just increasing our cart value instantly and using Groupon's traffic. And as I say, you could then upsell them to a, you know, for the paella thing, it could be a one-day training, a live one-day training. You know, this can work in any niche. The redemption funnel's phenomenal. If you want any more help with it, or if you want, once we've completed our entire redemption funnel, we'll give you the share funnel link so you can use it in your own Clickfunnels account. Otherwise, I'm going to leave you to it. Bye for now.